really cool tool I've been using. It's called ChatGPT. Will ChatGPT take over the graphic design industry? I'm going to show you the power of AI that will change how you work with your clients, with your design projects. It's amazing and it's crazy, and I'll show you how to use it. Now, I was playing around with this. This is ChatGPT. You can go to chat.openai.com. It's actually created by OpenAI. It's also the same people who made DALL-E 2, which is the AI image generator, which is cool. And so I've been playing around with this, and the power of it to create briefs, to create strategies, to create titles and text and copywriting is so strong that you can use it in your projects to speed up a lot of the process. So let's jump into it. I've got this text box here, and what I'm going to do is go write a design brief for a brand design challenge for a electric car company. I'm going to press enter, and within seconds it's going to start to generate this brief, and you can see it's generating. It's super fast, and then we can start to edit and change it. So you can see here, design brief, got the title there, overview. Our client is an electric car company that is looking for to refresh and modernize their brand identity. The company has strong commitment to sustainable and innovation, and they want their brand to reflect these values. The company is targeting a younger, environmentally conscious audience, and they want their brand to appeal to a demographic. Objective, this objective is the brand design challenge to create a new brand identity. Yep, cool. Target audience, young, environmentally conscious, Key messages, great. So sustainability and innovation and youthful, and design elements, color scheme, typography, imagery. Beautiful. Overall, the brand design should be modern, clean, reflect companies come in. And so what I can do from here, you can see it's a pretty strong brief, and I can use this to create a design for a portfolio. If I'm challenging other designers, I can create this. I don't have to write it from scratch anymore. I can literally just generate briefs, which is amazing. And so what I can do is highlight the brand keywords and deliverables and simplify deliverables. So just by adding these things, it should be able to pick out those, key words. And so, for example, if a client sent you a brief, you can actually just copy and paste the text into here and say highlight brand keywords, or, type out certain things. So you can see, boom, brand keywords, sustainability, innovation, and youthful. So I don't have to actually read the whole thing. I can just do this to really extract some of those elements. Deliverables, new logo design, color scheme, guidelines, typography, imagery guidelines, and brand guidelines. And so what the AI does is I can stay in this chat, and you can see on the left-hand side, I've got I can add a new chat, and it's going to refresh. I can also click on the chat I just did, and also another one that I had from the other day as well. You can see here, this one was for a sustainable source outdoor clothing company. And then I said highlight brand keywords, and it gives me all these words, which you can see here. Super useful. And then I said make deliverables more fun, and then you can said it was starting to talk about mood board, video, adding handwritten note as an extra deliverable. And you can see you can keep going to elaborate or simplify, etc., etc. And now I can say come up with 3 ideas for mood boards for this brand. Let's see what it does. The speed of it is just insane. It's crazy. Another thing to note as well is that Elon Musk has part ownership in this, in OpenAI. So obviously there's multiple owners and people, investors in it. So this thing is gonna change the way we work. It's insane. So, okay, cool. So nature and technology. This mood board could feature a combination of natural landscapes, images of electric car technology. The color scheme could be inspired by nature, incorporating shades of green and blue. Typography could be clean, modern imagery, And then we've got urban futurism, which is another idea. Urban aesthetic, sleek lines, metallic accents. The color scheme could be monochromatic using shades of silver and gray. Bold futuristic, the image could include photos of electric cars. Eco chic, minimalist aesthetic, focus on eco-friendliness. Typography could be clean, elegant, and imagery could include photos of electric cars. Amazing. So now I've got 3 ideas. I can extract some of the words from these. So if I can say elaborate on mood board ID 1. Let's see if it does. Boom. So it's going to take nature and technology, because that's number 1 of the ideas, and it's going to elaborate on that point. If I need some more, explanation, descriptive words, that's going to really help me out. So he's starting to talk about the natural world, modern technology. The color scheme could draw from shades. Yep. Typography could be modern and clean sans serif with the contemporary feel. This imagery could include a mix of natural landscapes, images of electric car technology. This could include photos of electric cars in nature, such as driving through a forest alongside a beach, as well as ideas of cars themselves, showcasing this slick and modern design. So it's actually giving me ideas, and all I'm doing is feeding it, what I want it to give back to me, some ideas. I'm feeding it words. I'm feeding it to add more descriptions. In addition, photographs, Midworld could also include nature-inspired graphics, illustrations. Overall technology, Midworld would aim to create a brand idea that is both environmentally conscious and cutting edge, appealing to younger, tech-savvy audience. So this is amazing, the power of ChatGPT. I recommend trying it because it's going to revolutionize the graphic design industry. It's going to take people's jobs, but it's also going to create, more time and space for you to think of creative ideas and not just focus on the execution. And that's why this is really good, because it's going to save you time and it's going to allow you to add another layer for your clients. You know what I mean? So now what I can actually say is like, come up with some copywriting. So let's go create 3 taglines based on the mood board description. Okay. Oh, it actually did work. Where nature meets technology, sustainable innovation on the go, driving towards a better future. Electrify your journey, eco-conscious innovation at its finest. So I just did another one, create 3 taglines, so it came up with some different ones. Nature meets innovation, eco-chic sophistication. That actually kind of rhymes. It's pretty cool. What the heck? Sustainable style and performance. Amazing. So like, I'm already creating things that I can put on the website, design on the header, or this could be like a header for a blog, or it can actually be for the logo, the tagline. You know what I mean? I can also say rewrite the taglines. Rewrite the taglines in a more friendly voice. Here we go. So you can see they're a bit longer, and I can always say like simplify or shorten it, and it will just like change it. So this one, in a more friendly voice, experience a perfect blend of nature and innovation with our electric cars. Eco-friendly doesn't have to sacrifice style. Our brand embodies both. Sustainable meets performance in sleek and modern electric cars. Beautiful. And like I would take some of these and probably edit it and customize it and expand on that. And I can always elaborate more. But I think this is really cool. So if I could say create slogans based on tagline, let's go tagline 3. Create slogans based on tagline 3. So this can be for marketing campaigns, social media, etc. Going green has never looked so good. Eco-conscious driving at its finest. Sustainable style on the road. Elevate your driving experience with electric cars. Join the movement towards a better improvement. So what if I would say, make them more focused on luxury? So maybe I want to change the brand into a more luxurious brand instead of like a eco-friendly. Let's see what it does there. Eco-luxury at its finest. Experience sustainable luxury on the road. Drive to better style and eco-friendly driving meets luxury performance. Elevate your driving experience with our electric cars. So it sort of just started putting the word luxury in there. So I'd probably have to give it a different description. But you can see here, we can create a brief. We can create ideas for mood boards. We can create slogans, taglines for us in just minutes. It is insane, the power of ChatGPT. And if you're not using it, you should be using it probably more than Google. It's the power of this is just insane. And so then I can say, provide 10 titles for a website landing page to sell to customers. So now I'm getting even more ideas for what I could potentially use for a website. Headline. All right, experience sustainable luxury on the road with our electric cars. Eco-friendly driving has never looked so good. Join the movement towards a better future with our luxurious electric cars. Elevate your driving experience with our brand. Discover the perfect blend of nature and innovation, sustainable style. Conscious driving meets luxury performance. Go green in style with our electric cars. Experience the future of transformation with our brand, eco-friendly. And so the AI really writes mostly in a corporate style. And so to make it more friendly, you probably have to go in there and edit things. Obviously I can say like write it, make it more friendly or make it more casual. Change them to be more casual, urban, friendly for young people. Upgrade your ride to an electric car. Eco-friendly cars that are actually cool. Join the move toward a better future. Nature meets innovation. Elevate your driving game with our brand. It's pretty good. Like some of these ones are actually all right. Upgrade your ride. Elevate your driving game without sacrifices. That's kind of good as well. Upgrade your commute. Choose the future of transformation. This is a nice one. Go green in style. So it's pretty great. I think this is amazing, the power of this. Just by tweaking a few things, you can generate so many ideas. And so this is ChatGPT. I think it's amazing. Definitely try it out. Use it on all your projects. If you're into AI, if you're scared of AI, it's going to take your jobs, It's not. You just need to adapt. You need to learn to embrace these changes because this is the future. AI is not going away. We need to learn to use it as a tool because at the end of the day, humans have creativity in our mind. We hold the power to come up with the imagination, to come up with ideas, to create brands, because this is not going to create the visuals for us. Obviously, there's AI art, but when it comes to design, we are the ones that are going to still do the design and execution, but we can minimize that sort of strategy phase and ideation phase if we use AI and leverage these tools. And so I recommend using it. It's going to be amazing. And so if you want to find out if AI can actually create a logo, then definitely check out this video where I jump into Midjourney to create a logo design.